over there. We are not too far from home, but we're going to make a stop here soon. Do some grocery shopping. Get some things we need around the house. And then head on home. Now we're going towards Centro Comercial Costa Verde. There's a Abruzzo, which is a pretty big grocery store with some extra stuff. Excuse me, for groceries. Let me turn her off because she's driving a little crazy. So, again, in case she spoke over me, this is the Centro Comercial Costa Verde, which is right on the water on the coast here. Before we go in over the hills back home, we just wanted to pick up a few things in the shopping center before we make it back. It's good during the summer because there's more daylight. Normally when we come and it's not summer, it's kind of dark when we get home. So at least now I know there'll be sunlight. It'll be hot though. Let me go in. So this is a salon here at the mall here in Costa Verde. You can see the prices in euros. It's actually really good. I'm back at Troni right now. Last year we took our Roomba vacuum to get repaired and we weren't able to come back and pick it up, and they never let us know it was ready to send a friend to pick it up, so we're checking it now. But in the meantime, I'm going to just take a look around. What I really like, one thing we don't see a lot in the US is a lot of variety in the espresso maker pod machines. I just want to show you a few they have here. It's a Nescafe. That's a good price. You get all these different espresso machines. Then they have a bunch of different pod machines. Here's another Nescafe, Lavazza. I have this one right here. Actually, a good price.
Which is an
Illy pod. Illy's actually really good. This Mio Cafe, 95 espresso, doppio, and then the steam. Simple but efficient. Let's see what they have on this side here. Just regular espresso machines, more pods. Frog, I don't know that brand. More Lavazza. Very nice machines. Yeah, this one I have, this one's actually a lot cheaper now. This just looks like the newer version here, a little fancier. What's the price? But even at the electronics store, they sell tons of pods. Here's 200 capsules for $43, so a really good price. And then here are all the other brands. Classical roast. they had our vacuum. Good, we can get that going.
Grazie mille. Grazie.
Ciao. Very good, so we got it.
Yeah, awesome.
Nice. So we're still at the shopping center. I hope you can hear me. I don't have my microphone with me. But last year we got a Roomba to clean the floor. But after so many months it wasn't working quite right, so we brought it back because we had the warranty. Unfortunately, we were out of town for quite a long time and they were supposed to send us an email when it was ready. And we never got the email because our friends were going to go pick it up for us when we got the email, so we never did. 7 months later, we had our receipt. We were still hoping they had it in the store and didn't ship it back. And super easy. Just went in, showed them the receipt. They said, "Oh, we're sorry, your email was getting kicked back, but your Roomba is ready and repaired." So I'll check that out when I get home a little later. I still have to do some grocery shopping, and I'm sure the missus is going to want to look around at some other stores in here. And there's some gelato that's calling my name over there, but I think I'm going to save dessert for later because I do want to get some pizza tonight. Still going on 24 hours, so it's only about 3 hours sleep, but I'm in Italy, so what's it matter? So close to home, but I think we're gonna be here a while. We haven't even made it to the grocery part yet. Just looking for shampoo. I found this interesting. I've never seen before. Mayonnaise and tartufo. That's truffle mayonnaise. Very interesting. What I need to find is flour to feed my sourdough, which I hope is okay. I just need to figure out where that is right now. So I'm looking for is Farina de Manitoba or a strong 00 Farina. So I'm not sure if I'm on the right aisle. So for my sourdough, it said to use a 00 Farina or a Manitoba, a strong 00 or a Manitoba, and I found the Manitoba right here. So I'm going to give it a try. I'm actually going to buy two, one to use here and one to see if it's not too heavy, if I can bring back to the States with me. And it's only €1.75, so it's a little more than the 00, but I think it will be worth it. Fingers crossed. So grocery shopping done. We got it all squished into the car here in a bunch of different ways. Now we're going to make our way back home. Only took about an hour, but it was crowded and we had to find what we needed. This is the first time we've been back here during the summer in quite a while, and I do see it is much busier during the summer. I do remember it. Because it is a beachside town, it is seasonal, so a lot of businesses that I've seen that were not open, or the campgrounds or the condominiums that were closed up during the winter months or spring months are all just sprawling with people, which is good to see. I do like that it's 6:13 right now in the evening, so it has been quite a day. We landed just about 11. So, but I do know when we come during other months that aren't the summer, by this time it would be pitch black out. So there's extra hours of daylight. If I remember correctly, it might stay late till between 8:30 and 9, but I'll find out soon enough. But I am definitely, the day is definitely wearing on me. So we'll get home, unpack the car, get the house set up, turn the refrigerator on, get the electricity, water going. Maybe pizza, maybe not, depends if I fall asleep or not. It's got an extra Coke to keep me going. This is the final stretch. So we made it home to our destination. Just need to pop on the electricity, unload everything from the car. I'm gonna have to put a nail in there to keep that closed. Get the house all set. So that was our trip home. And I'm very tired, so we're gonna call it a night. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our first day. We made it home.